New reforms in education system of Jammu and Kashmir. How to bring bright education. New education policies which are aligned with SDG 4 intends to bring a systematic reform in the education sector. Purposes the revision and revamping of all such aspects of the current education structure, including its education and governance. Importance of higher education. Higher education has always been important, but perhaps never more so in man's history than today. In a science-based world, higher education is fundamental to the entire development process of a country, its welfare, progress, and security. In the rapidly changing world of today, one thing is certain. Yesterday's higher educational system will not meet today's, and even less so the need of tomorrow. 18.2% in 2011 and in 12, which is higher than the national GER of 15%. The enrollment has accordingly increased from 77,000 in 2004 and 5 to 1,35,264 in 2012 and 13. How to transform the education system of J&K? We, as a nation, are committed to the creation of a secular, democratic, and socialist society which will be based on freedom, justice, equality, and the dignity of the individual, and which will provide a reasonable and satisfying standard of living for all. The creation of this new society needs the effort of the nation, that is, of its government and people. Such an effort will be obviously cover all aspects of reconstruction, economic, political, social, and educational. We are concerned here only with the programs of educational reconstruction, which can catalyze social change. It is, however, obvious that the best and quickest results of programs of educational reconstruction can be obtained only if they are simultaneously supported by corresponding programs of economic, political, and social transformation. Number of higher education enrollment. The GOI has identified 374 districts as educationally backward, out of which 11 districts are in the J&K state. All these districts are being covered with one college, each with 50% state contribution. To bridge the gap between the male and female enrollment, it will be endeavored to provide one women college in all the districts which are at present without a women college. The problems faced in schools in J&K. India has always achieved good success in the field of education and has constructed many good institutions like IIT, IIMs, NITs, and central and state universities. Besides these institutions, Jammu and Kashmir is facing so many challenges and hurdles in higher education system. The number of universities and colleges are inadequate, which are unable to provide quality education to all the students, and approximately 50% of the students goes for higher education outside Jammu and Kashmir. The issues and challenges like inefficiency, adopting innovations of science and technology, and their use in teaching and learning process. In context of providing education, there is injustice with the people of Jammu and Kashmir who suffers a lot and faces many growing issues and challenges in it.
Vasivi Jai Gurudev. I am R. Ashwin of class 8A4 of Maharishi Vidya Mandir SKPD Charity. Today we will see a brief about new initiatives in higher education in Jammu and Kashmir. SARAL, which stands for Students Accessible Resource and Learning App. It is a golden source for all home class videos recorded by expert teachers. Videos can be searched by class and subject. It also has a repository of home assignments and activities developed by teams as per curriculum. Next is Adarshila. Adarshila is a web-based system which has been designed by Directorate of School Education of Jammu and Kashmir, and coding has been done by NIC. It has information about students of all government schools. This information can be used to derive various inferences like pupil-teacher ratio, category-wise students report, scholarship details, students without ARACA details, etc., which is helps in planning and policy decisions. Next is Samadhan, which is online grievance redressal system. This is a web-based grievance management system. It is designed by teams at Directorate of School Education and developed by NIC and hosted on NIC servers. Parents, teachers, students, etc. will able to log their grievance into the system. The grievance can be then assigned to concerned authorities for redressal. Next is JK Education Hub. It is a web-based system. It hosts all of the academic related digital content and processes done at Directorate. The system has a section for Shining Stars where Shining Stars teachers as well as students' achievements will be highlighted. It has a space to host the content developed by teachers of common schools. Best of the content may chosen and sent to national level portals like Diksha, etc. Next is eOffice. eOffice is a digital system developed by NIC with a vision to make office paperless. All the file movement is performed in this digital platform in the Directorate. The system will increase tracking of files, thereby increasing accountability and efficiency. The system will make the official work transparent and status of any files can be checked with a click on button. Next is System of Management of Private Schools. It is a web-based system of management of private schools. This system will cater to all private schools of different boards like JK Bose or CBSE. System will have provision for according online recognition and upgradation permission in favor of private schools. Thank you.